Hi, here we come with a brand new video in which we're gonna discuss 7 money habits of the wealthy women you should adopt. Before the start of the video, kindly subscribe to our channel for new and interesting updates. What features do all affluent women share? Contrary to popular assumption, it's neither high-end clothing, expensive vehicles, or specially made vacation homes. In actuality, wealthy women have sound financial practices that have helped them build wealth over time. Wealthy women have experience with money, and in some good news, women are now owning more private wealth. Women are anticipated to own over 1/3 of the world's private wealth by the year 2020. It takes more than just winning the lottery or getting sizable inheritance to build and preserve generational wealth. Congrats if it's you. Instead, it's the outcome of the deliberate financial decisions we make every day. Here are 7 money-related activities that wealthy women engage in that you can adopt as well. Number 7. Spend less than you earn. Most women struggle financially, not because their earnings are too low, but rather because of their extravagant spending habits. They overspend their income. And although it may seem clear, that's where most women stumble. Spending more than you make ensures that you will always be in debt, have financial stress, and never be able to build wealth. Additionally, wealthy women save a portion of every dollar they earn, whether you earn $50,000 or $500 million a year. If you don't save, you will never be financially independent. This leads me to my next point. Number 6. Finance yourself prior. Before spending any of your money on anything else, including taxes, you should always invest part of it for the future. If you contribute a portion of your earnings to a retirement plan, the US government is willing to waive some of the tax obligations. Invest tax efficiently in 401ks and IRAs. The best and simplest strategy to accumulate wealth over the time is this. You exchange your time for money when you go to work. Assume that your normal weekday is from 9 to 5. Most people's daily earnings between 9 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. are sent directly to Uncle Sam. Then you pay your bank for a mortgage from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Then, between 2 and 3:30 p.m., you pay your other bank for a loan or lease on a car. And from 3 to 5 p.m., everything else, including groceries, kids' activities, medical expenses, credit card debt, and so forth, comes into play. Why would you put in a full day's labor each day and not keep at least an hour of that pay for yourself? Paying for yourself initially is putting yourself first. Number 5. Use technology and automate your money. The critical next step is to automate your funds after you have resolved to pay yourself first. With your company, set up automatic investments and contributions to retirement account. What you cannot see cannot be spent. The remainder of your paycheck should then be put directly into checking account. Make the most technology. Almost every element of your financial life can be automated nowadays, from saving and investing to paying bills and spending. Simply do it. You will probably fail if your financial plan is not automatic. Spend a little time upfront, automate your account, and stop stressing about money to live your life. You will feel relieved at the end of each month knowing that you have met your savings and investing objectives, paid all of your expenses on time, and are free to enjoy the remainder without feeling guilty. It's nearly impossible to find an explanation for financial missteps in the age of technology. We can check our bank balances, invest spare change, and set up automatic bill payment at our fingertips. Women who are wise with money don't worry about it constantly. Instead, affluent women schedule specific, regular times to set up and assess their financial situation before letting all of this useful technology function in the background of their daily lives. We can learn from this by automatically registering in the retirement plans offered by our employers or setting up our paychecks to be placed into separate bank and saving accounts. Number 4. Get started today with saving and investing. Compound interest is the world's eighth marvel. He earns it if he comprehends it. Whoever doesn't pay the price. Albert Einstein. One of the most crucial ideas to comprehend while managing your finances is compound interest. In other terms, compound interest is money earned on money already earned. It's the interest you earn on your interest. Every dollar you invest and save today will grow in value over time. The impact of compounding is greater the larger your time horizon. Even modest sums that are continuously invested over time might grow to be large quantities of money. To avoid overspending, wealthy women make sure to set aside and invest some of their money, and here I'm referring to investing money that's not just for retirement. Number 3. Purchase fewer, better items. If you follow the advice above, you ought to have some money left over that you may spend guilt-free. Hopefully. Wealthy women invest their money in the things they cherish and find enjoyable, but they purchase fewer superior items. For instance, a wealthy woman would purchase a high-quality handbag rather than continually bringing in more affordable, stylish variations throughout the year. There are mental advantages to investing in fewer higher quality items, in addition to the financial ones such as cheaper cost per wear. Our lives become more focused and clear as we clear out the clutter. Maintaining orderliness is a sign that you are in charge. Purchasing fewer items has significant environmental benefits as well. The fact that our earth is choking cannot be denied. You can make your money work for your principles by being mindful of consumption and supporting sustainable businesses, both beneficial of the environment and you. You must stop engaging in impulsive shopping. Although it temporarily makes you happy, the hole in your bank account persists. Make a list of what you truly require and follow it. If you truly want to indulge in some shopping therapy, visit places like Sarojini, Banjara, your neighborhood thrift shop, etc. Number 2. Invest in your mental and physical well-being. Keep some of your pay, whatever it may be, for investments. SIPs that are open, PPFs, insurance contracts, etc. If you're interested in gold, join one of the many large gold brands, kitty programs, and after the cycle, purchase an item that you may wear or use as an investment. Before you can care for anyone else, you must first take care of yourself. Most of us find it extremely challenging to put our well-being before other obligations and commitments to our families, but we have to. Money can't buy health, as we all know. Because of this, affluent women recognize the value of exercising, eating a balanced diet, drinking enough water, getting adequate sleep, and practicing meditation. Consider investing in yourself by spending money on anything that improves your health. Any other item that will make you feel your best is welcome, whether it's a Vitamix, a Peloton cycle, or an organic meal box delivery. Number 1. Use professional financial aid. Finally, wealthy women are aware that they don't have to tackle everything by themselves. They ask professionals for advice. I have a lot of admiration for Ellevest, an investment company that was established by and for women. You can bank, invest, and advance your career more with Ellevest. For instance, Ellevest will assist you in building an investment portfolio that will help you stay on track to achieving your financial objectives. Their in-house developed algorithm takes into account gender pay disparities, job breaks, and longer lifespans. To help you learn more about your finances and career, Ellevest's team of the financial planners and career coaches also provides a variety of courses, workshops, and guides. Well, there you go, gal. The 7 financial decisions made by affluent women that you can emulate. Take baby steps and be kind to yourself. Leave a comment letting me know which of these wealth-building strategies you already employ and which ones you find difficult. Did you like this video? Be sure to submit your answer in our comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to us.